Hey everybody, it's Seeker, and take a look at this. This is really neat. My friend NCFXSTI, who is also a moderator in our Discord and on this channel, tipped me off to this. Now, this is the LPM Mystery Box 2021 standard. Usually when you think about mystery boxes, especially when it comes to silver and coins, you generally think about eBay or sometimes small websites like myself at CoolStacks where we do mystery boxes and things like that. But you generally don't expect to see mystery boxes on a big bullion dealer, especially a company like LPM who has actually designed silver bullion coins doing mystery boxes. But here we are, and take a look. So what we're going to be doing today is we are actually going to order one of these and we are going to unbox it on the channel. Now, I will be honest, they are a little pricey, and I actually originally decided against this, but NCF said, hey, I'm going to order one anyway. Why don't you order it? I'll pay you back, and you can do an unboxing on the channel. I'm like, oh, you can't beat that. Of course, I'll have to ship it to them after we open it. But today, in this video, you're going to see me order one of these, and we're going to unbox it in the same video. So I'll have to wait a week to get it or so, but you guys will get to see it in just a minute. But really quick, before we actually get into the unboxing, let's see what we're about to order here. So we're going to zoom in. We'll skip all the blah, blah, blah. It's a mystery pack, fun, etc. Let's look at the highlights. Over 20% off the original price, a minimum of 5 items in each box, guaranteed 1 LPM exclusive product, 1 NGC or PCGS graded product, and 1 collectible item with a minimum of 5 items apiece. So I'm assuming you can possibly have more in there. It's limited to only 30. In other words, they're only going to do 30 of these standard ones, and each box is going to come with a card with a unique serial number. So this is really, really cool. It just released. In fact, it says right here, it released in time starting from December 1st. And as I record this portion of the video, it is December 1st. So we're ordering it right away. So as you can see, it's $1,800.04 in Hong Kong dollars. That translates to about $230 USD. We're going to have to pay for shipping. We're going to have to pay the credit card fee because I'll probably have to pay with a credit card. But we're going to go ahead and get this ordered, and then we're going to unbox it. So let me get it ordered. I'll show you whatever, checkout we get. I'll black out the information, and then we will just open it right here. Let's do it. Alrighty, guys, so I went through the checkout process. I created an account, and as you can see right here, LPM Group Limited, it is ordered. As you can see, the PayPal Express checkout, it ended up being around $295 total. That's with shipping and everything all the way from Hong Kong, as well as the credit card processing fee. So a little pricey, but it's going to be a lot of fun. Again, I have to wait a week starting right now, but you guys get to see it in just a second. All right, everyone, we have it. It's been about 10 days. I ordered this on December 1st. Our time, it was December 2nd over there, but December 1st, and now it's December 10th, and I have it in my hand. So I guess it's been 9. But NCF actually said in Discord that he doesn't even know if he wants to watch this video. He may just want to experience it for himself. I don't know. But you guys are probably going to get to see this before even he gets to see what's in here. Now, if that's not cool, I don't know what is. But really, I'm excited to see what's in here, guys. For the money that was spent on this thing, there better be some really cool silver in here. And it feels nice and hefty. They packaged this really well. So let's open it together, guys. Let's get this under the camera and open it up right now. Hey, but really quick, guys, don't forget to make sure you are subscribed. And don't forget to hit that like button. Help YouTube recommend this video to others. All right, let's go. All right, I got my knife out. Let's cut into this thing. Here we go. NCF. I don't know if you're watching this before we do it or not, but here we go, man. Let's get into it and see what we have. All right, so we have the flaps of the box open, and we'll take this little piece of foam out. As you can see, so this is kind of like what it looked like on their image on the website, their mystery box. So really cool packaging. All right, and there's nothing else in there. So I'm assuming whatever invoice came with it is inside the thing that was on top. But we have a piece it's actually been taped multiple times. I wonder if they like changed what was in here or something. I don't know. Interesting. All right, well, let's cut into it and see what we have. I don't want to tear this. Look at that. Happy unboxing day. I had it upside down. I realized it as I started to lift it. But that's cool. Happy unboxing day. There's their LPM on top. Okay. All right, here we go. Cool. So this is packaged really well. I'll give them a lot of credit for the way this is packaged. You got, I'm going to reuse this in my stacker boxes for sure. There was a piece of foam on top, and then of course here. All right, so here is, our first item, maybe. Okay, yeah. Oh, let's see, is that COVID-19 there? What is this? This is a moment in history. Throughout history, human civilization, COVID-19. Denomination is at 50 pence. British, 8 grams of brilliant uncirculated. Oh, it's cupro nickel. So this is not silver. Take a look at that. Oh, that's interesting. That is a very interesting piece. All right, so guys, this is sealed. I don't... Oh, okay, yeah, this... Here we go. I didn't want to tear the plastic, but since it opens this way, we'll take a closer look at it. Okay, so I don't know. This can't be one of the coins, is it? I don't know. That's neat, though. They said at least 5, so there could be more than 5 items in this package. All right, we got that back in there for NCF. All right, here we go. Second item. All right, this looks like a 1 ounce silver. All right, we have the Royal Mint, The Who. Oh, that's cool. Take a look at that. You actually have a picture of The Who in performance right there. The Royal Mint, the original maker. And this is another one where I'm going to have to open it. I'll put these in the right way after this video is over, but let's go ahead and just open this plastic down here to take a look at the whole coin. We'll slide it open. And as you can see, we have The Who in concert there. There is the reverse. You got the Queen on the reverse. And there's some information about The Who. And looks like some information about each one of the members. The Who sell out. It's hard. Okay. So that is really cool. Of course, we're not going to go over everything that's, you know, not going to go over every word of that. But you guys get the idea. I'll put this back in after we're done. But really, really cool. So that is 2 items so far. All right. Here we go. This... All right, this is wrapped up in, yeah, it just looks like a manila envelope. Let's open this up. This is fun. This is fun. I love doing mystery packs, especially like this, because it's so different than what you would see on eBay. Oh, this must be the NCG, or the NGC, I'm sorry, or PCGS slabbed item. There's a slab in here. Whoa, all right, whoa, hey, all right, I'm cool with this. Take a look at this. So 2016 Australian Wedge-tailed Eagle, the high relief version, proof 69. Too bad it's not a 70. But look how thick this slab is. This is the high relief proof Wedge-tailed Eagle 2016. That is absolutely gorgeous. What I'm going to do, guys, even though I don't know the value of these right now as I'm recording this, I'm going to put a little tracker on the bottom right of the screen. I'm going to look on eBay and just kind of get prices for each one of these, and I'll put it on the screen. So at the end of the video, you'll be able to see what it is. But man, that is really cool. And it did come with the COA. It didn't come with the original box. I believe these come with a box, but that is really, really neat. I do like that item. That is cool. That's the best one so far, in my opinion. All right, so that is 3. There's at least 2 more, but we're hoping for more than... We're hoping for at least 3 more, because I'm not... I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong about this COVID-19 piece, but it's just... It's nickel. All right, so here we go. All right, I definitely feel something down here. A big box. All right, here we go. Piece number 4. I don't know... All right, this is just an advertisement. Okay. It says, thank you for your order. All right, here we go. What is this? 2016. Is that a Year of the Monkey? All right, here we go. Oh, this is a cool box. Issued by the People's Bank of China. It is a Year of the Monkey. Take a look at this. It was a little bit out of the, like out of this, but it wasn't out of the capsule. And there's it looks like a little piece of silica gel in there to keep it nice and dry. You have a COA, which I'm going to not take that out. I don't want to tear, if I tore that, this is not my box. If it were my box, I'd take out the COA. But we will take a look at the coin. Very cool. Comes in really cool packaging. That is neat. Oh, wow, that is cool. I tell you what. Man, I like that quite a bit. You know what I would like to know, though? So 2016 was the first year that pandas were 30 grams instead of 1 ounce. I wonder if... Oh, no. It says right here, 31.104, and I'm assuming that's grams of silver. And you see 1. I can't read Chinese, but I'm assuming that's 31.104 grams, and then you have 1, and that's probably ounces troy. Okay, cool. We don't have to take the COA out. You can kind of see it right there, but that is really, really neat. Okay. I like the box that this came in as well. I do like that it came, as I'll put the silica gel back here, I do like that it came at 1 ounce instead of 30 grams. And that's a really neat piece right there. All right, so that is 4 down. We are hoping for at least 2 more. And again, that's just because I'm not a big fan of that COVID piece. But we don't know. We'll find out. I mean, there's got to be at least 1 more in here. I'm hoping there's 2. All right, I do feel All right, it's in a manila envelope. All right, I'm gonna search and see. Okay, so we do have 2 more things. Okay, so let's do this one first. I didn't see what the other thing was, so we're just gonna leave it in there. And here we go. Let's get this out, and what do we got here? 2021 Australia. There's 2 coins here. Oh, that is cool. Oh, snap, I'm jealous. All right, so we actually have 2 coins here, but this one, is there a COA in there? No, there's no COA. Look at that. Oh, wow, that is so cool. 1 ounce silver 2021 Australia colorized dragon. Now, I know not everyone's into colorized coins, but when they're done nice and professionally like this, you have to respect how gorgeous that is. Oh, man. That is art right there. Oh, man, that is beautiful. Okay, I am impressed. And then it also came with one of these. So this right here, you have 2018. Is that Papaji? Forgive me if I'm assuming that's means parrot. But forgive me, that's Republic Ostrich. So that is Austria. €3. Parrot. And this doesn't look silver. I assume that is not silver. It's probably Cupro nickel, like the other piece was. But either way, guys, that's technically 5 and 6. And I know there's one more item in here because I saw the corner of it. And let's go ahead and... Oh, this is cool. So I've had these on the channel before. This is the only thing that's in this box that I've already had on the channel before. But that is cool. That's the 2021 Godzilla series. That's the colorized. That's the Ultimate Titan. That is cool. All right, and I think that's it. Let's just double check. I'm getting some text messages. That is it, but let's go ahead and do a quick recap, and we'll put it all up here on top of the box. So we have the Godzilla, we have the 1 ounce silver Year of the Dragon colorized, we have the parrot coin, we have the COVID-19 piece, we have the 2016 Year of the Monkey, we have my favorite piece out of this box, although this one's a close second, of the high relief wedge-tail eagle, and we have the Royal Mint, the Who. So really, really cool mystery pack, some really neat stuff in here, really high quality stuff. Hey everybody, it's Future Seeker here. We're gonna cut in and just finish this video out. $447. Now we paid $294.93 for this box and $447 in product. Now I do understand, before you get into the comments saying, no way, I'd pay that. I do understand that most of you wouldn't pay that, but a lot of this stuff I looked up online, the cheapest I could find it for, or the cheapest sold comps on eBay that I could find, and that's the number, and you guys saw me put the infographics up on the screen. That's the number that I was able to come up with. So really, really cool. If you were to go out and buy these, that's about what you would pay if you bought them individually. I'd say that's a pretty good mystery pack, and it was a lot of fun to open. So NCF, I hope you enjoy this one. He said he's actually going to wait to watch this video until after he opens it. So he already knows what's going to be in here. But either way, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here. I really do appreciate it, and we will see you in the next one.